Hey guys, got another new arrival here. This is a 1980 CX500 dropped off by the original owner who lives in upstate New York. As you can see, it is a little tired. It's got your typical surface rust and overall general oxidation. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a basic mechanical go-over. According to him, there has been very little done on this bike in the way of maintenance over the time that he has owned it. You know, we're talking 40 years, so and it runs surprisingly well. I took it out for a quick spin just to see if there was any glaring motor leaks anywhere, and it is as smooth as you could possibly expect from a bike this old, and it's, according to him, it has roughly 60,000 miles on it now. The odometer is broken, but anyway, it's amazing how well these bikes hold up, especially these old Hondas. But again, it just needs some attention. It needs the carbs cleaned, it needs some new boots, because this is on its last leg. And any minute that thing could decide to just leak and cause a ton of trouble. So, you know, again, it just has surface rust everywhere. All the aluminum is oxidized and tired. Then we're going to redo the paint. You know, new tires, cables, seals, your basic old bike tune-up. And once all that's said and done, then we're going to really concentrate on the aesthetic side of stuff. And we're going to put a new seat cover on it. Like I said, redo the paint. Of course, I'll clean up all this chrome. I'll repaint the Comstars. Looks like I got some decals to make. These Comstar decals. Probably going to put in some new plugs, wires. You know, again, all the general maintenance stuff that has you know, for again 40 years probably been neglected based on his info, and we'll get it back up to snuff. But he was claiming that it was a little down on power, which I have some experience riding these CX bikes and the GLs, and it didn't seem that far off to me. But again, it's not my bike, and I'll have to take his word on that. But I think a good solid cleaning and polishing on this old girl, and she's gonna look great again. So anyway, just want to give you a quick intro video, and stay tuned when I have more, and I'll talk to you soon.